Hey, hello everyone. I think we are live now. Please confirm me on the chat so that I can I can see that okay I'm live, right? So please confirm me on the chat. Yes, great. I'm live now. 19 people are watching. People on LinkedIn are also there. People on Twitter are also there, right? So let me share my screen. Okay, let me share my screen for you all. So yes, able to see my screen? Good evening. Yes, good evening everyone. Able to see my screen? Yes, no? All of you? Yes? Okay, great. So today is the completion of 1 month DevOps with Web Dev Bootcamp 2, right? And I'm very much happy that we have successfully completed this playlist. Whatever you are seeing here, right? So this was the playlist which started exactly 1 month before, right? So if you see, this was the playlist, right? So almost every video I have made sure that you get the good knowledge, right? So I hope you have got this session 1, session 2, session 3. If I take you back to the live, right, live tab, so you can see here whatever we have done is in this, right? So 3 weeks ago we have started this session 1, session 2 hands on, session 3 theory, session 4 hands on, session 5 theory, session 6 hands on, right? So 3 hands on, right? So session 7, it's not session 7, session 7 again your Terraform with AWS, which you have done yesterday, and today is your session 8. So 1 month, 4 weeks, and 8 sessions, right? So mostly we have completed this 3 months of sorry 1 month of the DevOps with Web Dev, right? And whatever the material, yes, I have not uploaded the material. I will share it with you all, right? So you can see by today evening that in the drive I would have updated both the links, right? Got it, everyone, right? So today we are going to see the direct project which I'll be showing you, right? And all of you, please complete this, right? The session 1, session 2, session 3 till 6 sessions you can complete, right? So everything I have given here, right? And yes, any questions here before we go? I see that I have come on live on Twitter also today. So this is the first time I am on Twitter. So let's see if anything is happening on the Twitter side. And meanwhile, you can throw your questions if you have any sort of questions. And I'll be starting with the project, right? Yes. Any questions? Yes. Twitter, we are live. Any questions you have, you can tell me, right? So that I can reply to your question, right? Okay. Any sort of questions you have, guys? Except the material, any other questions you have? No questions? All good? All good? Okay. Let's see what is there for you all in today's class. I will share my screen, right? I've already, yes, I want your Git repo name. I will show that. Some question related to yesterday's class, Terraform planned out. Can we save in another format? You can save with any other name, but .out should be there. Okay. Yes, Mahindra is telling all good. So let's start today's video. So yes, this is what I wanted to tell you. Today we will complete the 1 month free DevOps with Web Dev Bootcamp 2, right? And I'm very much happy that you all have supported me, right? Almost all, if I say you, almost 3,500 plus registrations I have received, right, for the free bootcamp, out of which first class 500 plus students have joined live, right? And if you see in our Telegram channel, we have 3,000 plus again students there, right? Community, DevOps community, right? All the links will be in your description. If anyone wants to join the Telegram community, you can join, where I'll be sharing the documents. Yes. Okay. Thanks, Arjun. Yes, please hit a like on video and do share the channel link with your friends. And this is what we have completed. So I'm very much happy. Actually, the Bangalore weather is very much rainy outside. And I was thinking whether the power will be there, if it will support our life today or not. But yes, everything is going good as of now. Right. So I hope it will continue for next 1.5 hour where we complete our project. Right. So coming on to the other thing, all of you can see this is the site where we are starting the 2 months DevOps bootcamp, right? So I will just introduce you all. There is no slides. We will directly go on to the project today. So this is the website where we have started the batch 3. Batch 2 is completed. And yes, you can see all the ratings of batch 2, right? If I go down, you can see, right, what students are telling, right? So I have enrolled for batch 2. I have enrolled for batch 2. If I show you more, I like the way Praveen has put efforts, a great place to learn new skills. I have joined batch 2, right? So all of this are verified people, those who have taken the course. Actually, I have enrolled for batch 2. I can say with confidence that yes, indeed, it is the best decision he has taken, right? So apart from that, you can see, you can talk with the people directly, right? And you can directly go. Akshay is there. Zafar, he was from Portugal, right? So Zafar is telling, I really love the course. Please add one CICD end-to-end project, which I have added. Probably it was not in like it was having what we call little bit stages were not there. Yes, as he was telling, JFrog was not there. So probably in batch 3, I have taken that into consideration, right? Okay, got it. So let me show you more reviews. So all of you can see, right? Hi there. So he is from USA, as I have been telling you, right? And great teaching ever I have found in USA since 2014. Mr. Praveen deserves 5-star indeed. I am so much impressed with his deep knowledge, right? I want to take a moment expressing appreciation. Whatever it is, you can see all the reviews here, all the big reviews, whatever you can see. And the similar way, I have started the batch 3. So what I wanted to tell here is, in this batch 3, whatever the batch 2 was not getting, I have added as an add-on. And for today, right, because it was weekend sale going on, so as of now, if you see, this is 6,000. You can close this and apply the promo code of live30. So all of you, please see, you can apply the promo code of live30, which will be valid till today midnight, as we always do. So you can join with this live30. This is for those people who are actually watching this live, right? So once you give this live30, you can proceed. And for international payments, you can opt for the PayPal wallet, right? So yes, this is what I wanted to tell. Batch 3 is from 27th. Okay, let me tell you in brief. So this is the coupon code which you need to add it, right? And then only you will get the discount. Now starts on 27th May, the coming Saturday. We are starting Delhi, right? Devismita. Okay, Devismita, thanks for joining. 8+ weeks preparation for mock interviews, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., 3+ hours of core teaching. And today it's 6,000 as of now. But if you enroll it, right, if you give live30 coupon code, it will come as a much discounted price for you, only for the people those who are watching, and it will be applicable till the next 2 hours. So probably by 6-7 p.m, if I get the good registrations, we can wind up see, right? So you can see the early bird offer is ending for the next 2 hours, right? So that live30 coupon code will end by this time, right? By 6 p.m. mostly it will end. So you can see, yes, people are joining. You can see 30 LP highest CTC, 2000+ learner, 15 LP average CTC, 10+ tool covered. And whatever you want to see, the contents will be here. You go to the preview section and you get the content, right? And all the things are here. These are the tool cover. We are covering the chatbot also, right? And you can see like what are the key takeaways you can take from this class. And you can see where my batch 1 and batch 2 students have got placed. And at the same time, you can directly talk with the people on LinkedIn. So these all people are from LinkedIn, right? You all know you can directly talk with these people and just check with them. How was this class? How was this course? And yes, that's and one more thing, you will be getting the certificate of completion, as I always tell. So tell me, is it looking good or not? The certification of completion which you will be getting, is it looking good? Which you all will be getting, those who have registered for the course, right? Is it looking good? By the way, what are your thoughts? Yes, can a fresher? Yes, you can join, because I will be telling in-depth projects which will be helping you, Devismita, right? Now, all of you see, is this certification looking good? Okay, Gayatri is telling super cool, right? So I really liked it. It is like the logo here coming in, right? So you can see this is the logo which we have basically designed, right? And here your name will come and you can put it in your resume, because people should know that you have learned some real-time projects, right? Great. All of you good. And please like the video if you are watching. So that's all for today's batch 3.0, whatever I wanted to discuss. And yes, so now tell me, how many of you will be joining the batch 3 from this live? How many of you will be joining? So I have the live now running on Twitter. I have the live now running on LinkedIn. I have the live now running on YouTube also. So 3 platforms I have made it ready, right? So I wanted to see if anyone is interested, right? So people on LinkedIn, I hope you all are watching me, right? And yes, you can give your comments, right? You can give your comments, and in another 2 minutes we will start the session, right? And it will be really helpful for you, right? Yes, no, got it, all of you? Clear with the questions? Any questions before we start? No questions, right? Okay, good. Okay, great. Okay, very professional. Yes. Do you have any complete DevOps course in Azure? No, Azure I am not aware, right? But yeah, we will see. Okay. Why, bhaiya, why don't you prefer Ubuntu? Ubuntu also we can do, but see, if you work on one system now, it will be very much easy for you to cope up, right? So that's the reason, like, I have kept this one. So shall we start with the project Grafana integration with MySQL database? Shall we start? Shall we start today's class, guys? People on LinkedIn, are you all with me? Yes, no? Let's see, what are you telling? Okay, where can we register for batch 3.0? So Santosh Nakula, you just go here, www.pravinsingampalli.com. This is the website with my name. You select the course section and you click on this course and you will get the enroll now button. Okay, so you can see, just see this URL, www.pravinsingampalli.com. So this is the website. Okay, got it? Clear, right? So what about others? Okay, great. All are clear, right? So let's start the class. I will not waste time. It's already 14 minutes, right? So let's start. So I will take out my notes first of all. So first of all, I will tell you like what is the project, today's project, and what you have to do actually. So those who are new in the LinkedIn, you all can see a playlist button, playlist, what you call link, right? Which I have already added. So here my notes will be session 8, right? Week 4. Okay, so this is what we are thinking of as of now. So all of you see what is our plan, today's plan? Okay, 1 second. Just 1 second, give me. Okay. Probably my pen tab is not running. So, it is running now. Okay. Let's see what is there today. Yes. So now it is session 8, week 4. So what we are trying to do here, we have the Grafana monitoring today in place for us. We have the MySQL database in place for us, right? We will be watching as both monitoring engineer, right? Monitoring engineer and a DevOps engineer, database administrator, right? So basically, I always tell to my people, my students, DevOps is not just DevOps, right? So I always mean this because you need to learn so many things with other people are learning. That's how you stand yourself in the market, right? Got it, everyone? Now we have the monitoring in place. We have MySQL database in place. So you will learn, like today's class, monitoring you will learn, right? At the same time, you will learn DB related things. Okay. Okay. Please remove the comment. Sorry for that. Okay. Thanks. Okay. You will learn DB also. Now, what we will do in the monitoring Grafana. So I will just split it. So when you go to a project, right? When you want to work as a DevOps engineer, right? So basically what you have to do is, mostly for the applications, right? So let's say you have an application which is deployed on Kubernetes, right? And this is your pod running, right? Now you want to monitor your pod system health checks, right? System metrics, system health checks, right? And whatever it is, like whatever you wanted to check, right? All those things our Grafana will do. Okay, so what is Grafana? Grafana is basically a dashboard tool, right? So I will tell like Grafana as a dashboard. Now you can call it as Grafana as a dashboard. All of you have your pen and notebook, right? Yes, please note it down, whatever I am teaching, because once you go out from this class, this live class, the note should be with you, right? That's very important. Now all of you see Grafana as a dashboard. Now what you will see, let's say like this is your dashboard of Grafana, and you will see here like CPU, right? Your number of applications running on system. Let's think like that. Let's think this is your graph. Let's think this is your histogram bar graph, right? Let's think it is your more metrics kind of thing. So all those things it will show you basically. Got it, everyone? Now, in terms of why only Grafana, okay, why only Grafana? Now you will ask, Praveen, we have Prometheus, Praveen, we have Zabbix, Praveen, we have a few other tools, right? Now, why only Grafana, right? So all the companies, right, mostly are using Grafana. As of now, if you see, right, it has the ability of creating dashboards, giving us the dashboards, by the way, right? At the same time, it helps us to share the dashboards among team. You can share dashboards among team. And anyway, Splunk we have seen, right? Splunk hands-on we have seen in the session last week 3 we have seen the Splunk, right? All of you clear? Week 3 we have seen the Splunk. So mostly, if anyone asks you, right, yes, data visualization tool monitoring, that's what, right? Open source and lot of templates. Yes, templates are also important. And if you join batch 3.0, right, I will be showing the advanced concepts of whatever we are discussing today. Whatever you see on the YouTube, whatever you have received the documents, all those things will be an advanced version of, will be having the advanced version in the batch 3.0. Okay, now let's move forward. So database, right? Now coming on to database, I wanted to tell you all, when we are talking about the database, there are many databases. Let's take, if I go into AWS, there is RDS database, there is DynamoDB. Now database are divided into two types, guys: NoSQL and SQL database, SQL. So what is the relation? What is the main thing like NoSQL and SQL means? Now suppose I am a student. Let's take Praveen is a student 1 and Singham is the student 2, right? Who have joined batch 3.0, right? Let's think like this. And he has what you call, let's take 10 marks he got in one subject. This guy got 50 marks, right? And let's take his ID is 101, his ID is 102. Now what is relation, right? In database, everything runs with relation. And whenever you tell, I don't need a relation between the data, right? So data 1 is there and data 2 is there. So when there is no relationship between the data 1 and data 2, it means you are no SQL. Let's take your DynamoDB, right? DynamoDB is basically, let's take you are working for a company of automobile, right? Automobile, and you have to create a database for parts with shipment details, right? So here parts are like, let's take for car, right? Tires are the part. Let's take engine, right? So here it can be shipping address. So these two things are there, but this data is not dependent on any other database. But if you see my student data, right, I have the ID 1, 2, 3. This data I can use for any other table, right? I can pull it out in any other table. At the same time, this entire set form the relations between them, right? All of you got it? Yes, no? Yes, no? What about people on LinkedIn? People on LinkedIn, are you getting what I'm telling? Yes. What about Twitter people? Yes. Okay, no response. Are you able to hear me, guys? Yes. What about others? What about others? Okay, Arun Tej, great. Okay, Sandhya is asking, explain with brief examples. See, we probably don't have much time to talk on those things, but as of now, if you see, I will be showing you the hands-on, right? Now, if you see some of the things, what we are going to do in the project 6 document, right? So everything till now, whatever we have seen in the YouTube, every document I have shared in the Telegram channel, and the link will be in the description of YouTube video. Okay, description of YouTube video, right? So you can get the link directly, right? Now let's see what are the other things you are having, right? So project 6, all the documents before the project 6 we have in the Telegram group, right? Now let's see what we are going to do today. What are we going to do today? Okay, very simple, very straightforward. Just concentrate for another half an hour, mostly, right? Because weather is not good. I will not take much time also because I don't want the power to cut off or anything, right? Now, if you see what we are going to do today, first I will tell you, first we will take the Grafana dashboard. So we will install the Grafana. So all these things will be present in your AWS. Okay, now you will have the Grafana, you will have the database DB. And what I will do is, see, for the metrics to come to the Grafana dashboards, what we need, everyone. Suppose I have database, I have installed my database. Okay, let's see, think like that. I have installed my DB. Okay, I have installed my Grafana. Now let me know how or what are the values that Grafana will send. So Telegram link is in the description only. You can check that. Okay, you can check that. Yes. If you click on the description, okay, let me show you. All of you are asking for the Telegram link. So just see. So this is the live which we are going, right? So if you come down, this is the link which you have to join. This is the web dev where I have shared already the links, right? And if you see live 30 code I have given, and this is the link of the website. You can go here and actually join. And there is the Instagram link. If you want to follow me there for DevOps content, you can join there also, right? Got it? Right? Maybe what I can do is I can give these three things for you all in the pin section. Okay, I think I cannot put that much. Yeah, so all of you can check, and yes, I have pinned this. So yes, let's come back to our class. Now, what do you need? Now, all of you tell me, right? What do you exactly need, right? All of you have to tell me, if I want to show the metrics in Grafana dashboard, what I need. All of you tell me what I need. Guys, are you with me? You all can tell me that what exactly I need. Okay, nothing. You are not replying. What do you need for the database to show the data in Grafana? I have given the answer also. What do you need? Event logs, correct? Metrics, log, forwarder, and everything, right? So let's think like the next step. Once you have taken the AWS account, once you have installed the database, once you have installed the Grafana, right? Now we need data for the database. Correct? Data for the database we need. Correct? At the same time, what we need, once the data is done, connection we need to establish between both of them, right? Both of them should talk with each other, right? Both of them should talk with each other, right? So connection establishment we will do, right? Connection establishment we will do, right? Please like the video. 60+ people are watching, and you all can see the batch 3.0. You can join. Definitely, it will be an awesome experience for you, right? So connection establishment we will do, and all the things we will see. Are you all clear till now? Tables, yes, we are going to add suppose this is the database. Now we are going to create a table today. Okay, my handwriting is really bad. We are going to create table, update the data, right? And make sure that both are talking with each other, right? Insert the data, we will do the insert of rows. Clear, all of you? All of you clear? Sandhya, Devismitha, Mahendra, right? So yes, clear, right? Great. Okay. Now 1 second, let me do one thing. Let me put the chat in the batch 3.0 student group also, so that they also join. Okay, that's fine. I think people will be joining from there. Yes. Okay, great. Now let's go ahead. Let's go ahead with the project section, right? So I will be explaining with the steps. So this is about project 6, Grafana integration with MySQL database. What are the prerequisites? So first of all, for the prerequisites, just see create Linux EC2 instance in AWS. So yesterday, what we have seen, guys? Yesterday we have seen Cloud9 installation, right? Cloud9 Terraform, right? And we have created the infra, right? S3 bucket, your EC2 instance, your SGs, right? All those things we have covered, right? Yes, Arvind, I will cover from basics to advanced, intermediate, mostly on the things which you need for the job, right? So make sure you are joining. And the live 30 coupon code, I hope you have seen in the website. It's valid for next 2 hours, right? So if anyone is interested to join, right, I will not be again telling. If anyone is interested to join, you can use the live 30 coupon code, which is valid for next 2 hours, and you can opt for that. Okay. Got it? Yes. Now let's see what are the things going on. Create an Linux EC2 instance. So let's see what are the things. Let's go to my AWS console. I always prefer US West one. Okay. So let's see US West one. You have to sign with your email ID, give your login password. I hope by now you should all have your AWS account ready. Okay. So now what is the step one? Create Linux EC2 instance in AWS. So we will go to the EC2 instance. Okay. Every step is there and all the documents will be rolled out in the Telegram group. As of now, nothing is running. Yes. Now what we are doing? Create Linux EC2 instance. Now I will say launch instance. I will give like your SESSION8. Okay. What is this? Grafana DB. Okay. Amazon Linux, any specific Linux I am not giving. I am just telling like create Linux EC2 instance. So I will just say Linux, Amazon Linux, T2 micro should be good. And whatever the key pair you have, you select it, your everything, make it simple, right? And you say launch instance. Okay. So once you have done this launch instance, let's wait for our instance to start up. And meanwhile, one question to you all, right? Once this is going to start, right? So how many of you are going to join batch 3.0 or can refer to your friends? What are your thoughts in batch 3.0? You can talk with me, right? You can talk with me. Anyone, any comment, I will read it out, right? I don't have any problem. What about the people on LinkedIn? People on Twitter, I don't know, because Twitter, I have never done the live on Twitter, right? So this is the first time where I will be doing the live on Twitter also. Yes, anyways, I just wanted to make it live on Twitter, so I have done that, right? Any other questions you have regarding the batch 3.0, where you ask me some question, or I will make sure that I reply back to you now, because most of the people are asking so many questions. I am from non-IT, can I join batch 3? Will it cover all basic concepts? See, basic concepts, what do you mean by basics? When you are telling you are non-IT person, I'm already taking the live classes, right? So with this, you will be having some base. And on top of that, I will be telling you what you need to achieve. And mostly it is a job-oriented course, right? If you need a job in DevOps, then join. I don't have anything to say on that, right? Yes, Devasmita is telling you are thinking to join. But if you miss today, I'm also like non-tech. Okay, Devasmita and Arvind, both of you, please listen. If you are getting the things which I am going to show in this document for next 1 hour, then you are good to join my batch. Okay. Yes. Those who are getting what I am telling, right? It means that you are liking the way I am teaching, right? It doesn't mean that it's going away from your head, right? Then you can join. I don't have any issues, right? So bro is telling, bro, I'm graduate of 2021. Can I get DevOps job because there are openings for 3 years? What should I do? See, you are a graduate for 2021 and you till now didn't had any job, right? And you are working hard to get a job, right? You are working hard to get a job. So what I would say is, right, mostly it is a job oriented course. We can try for job, right? And I am guaranteeing that all the projects will be real time projects. Yes, that's what Sashi is telling, right? I need real time hands-on experience. That's it. And Arvind, if you have not attended any classes, that's fine, right? If you join the batch 3.0, in the Telegram link of batch 3.0 official channel, I have already shared the documents of all the hands-on projects, irrespective of batch 3.0 projects. You just see how I am teaching here. Na? Just go. We have 1 more week, right? You just explore. No one is stopping you, right? You wanted to learn something new. That's why you are here, right? Yes. Got it. Any other questions you have? What's the qualification requirement? Project is the main concerns. Basics can understand using. Yes, that's what Satya. People are always behind basics, right? What is qualification requirements for DevOps? Nothing qualification, Delhi. You just join, right? And that should be fine. But yeah, how to interact, one-to-one interaction? You can see after the live, after the project is done, I will give you the link where you can join the live and you can talk with me, right? Yes. So Shashi is telling I have completed the course, but I don't have hands-on experience. That's why I'm planning to join. Yes, that's good, Shashi, right? You can join, right? And I'm giving the best hands-on projects for you, right? So that you get good things. Got it? Right? But 1 year of experience, are they not even considering? It's not like that. If you have luck, if you have seen my channel, right? I have students who have actually got the jobs, freshers, experienced, right? If I come down here, so you see, you can talk with this guy, you can talk, I mean, here I have only mentioned what fresher had got, but one more student will be there. I think everything is in my channel. You don't need to go anywhere also, right? That student where, this one, right? So you can talk, right? This guy's LinkedIn is given here itself, right? So go ahead and talk with these people, right? Go ahead and talk. Say, so where I have given, see LinkedIn Nageshwar. You can talk how this guy is feeling in 4th year college taking the offers, right? You can join. See, all the people have commented also, right? Yes. So definitely it will help you, is what I can say, right? And those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. You will get good content, right? So let's go ahead. Let's see if our EC2 instance is ready. Yes, our EC2 instance is ready on T2 micro, and it's 2x2 check passed. So let's connect in the EC2 instance. Yeah. So once it has logged in, what I will do, sudo su, I will go as a root, right? On the root, we have to do all the tasks. So what is our step one? Create Linux EC2 instance in AWS. The step one is completed, right? So let's go with the step two. Okay, please remove the comment again. Sorry for that. I always forget. Okay, got it. Okay, that's fine. So what is the next set you have to do? Step two, yum install Docker. So you have to install Docker because we will be having the containers here. So yum install Docker, right? So that's it. I will make the screen big. It will ask for Y. You have to give small y. And you can see here, right? All the things are getting installed, right? Yes. So Docker is ready. Inside the Docker only, we will do all the things. So yes, Docker is ready. What I have to do? Step three, systemctl start Docker. These are like prerequisites, guys. Actual step starts from here. Okay. So what is the step three? Systemctl start Docker. Right. That's what the thing, right? Start Docker. Yes. What all things you will cover from CKS perspective? Crickmania, we are not here targeting the what you call the certification. We are here to get a job, right? That's where my main focus will be, right? Systemctl start Docker. Systemctl, what is that? Another command, enable Docker, right? The fourth step. So systemctl enable Docker. So this is what. So once you have done, your Docker will be up and running continuously. Okay, got it? Yes. Yes. All of you clear till now? What we have done? What about Devismita and what about others? Yes, clear. All of you clear? Okay, getting a job, company has the requirements for bachelor degree, right? For joining batch 3.0, you don't need any requirement, right? And anyone, you can become my channel member also, right? As you can see, Gayatri is already a channel member, right? And a few others are also there. You can definitely become the channel member also, right? So now let's go ahead. Let's clear the screen till now. It's all clear. Now, step one from here, change the security group of EC2 instance you created, allow all. Now, once we have created the EC2 instance, right, go back to your instance. I will make the screen small. So as of now, how many instances are running? Only one instance which we have created. Yes or no? People on LinkedIn? Yes, right? You are correct? Yes, no, people on LinkedIn. Are you there? Yes. Okay, following. Okay, that's why I told. So my power has been gone, but luckily I have the router battery, so it will not hamper this. But yeah, you have to watch me on dark. That's fine, right? Yes, I have increased the brightness a little bit. That's fine, right? Yes. Okay, you have to watch me on dark because I lost the power. Okay, so that's fine. That's why I was telling before the UPS battery will go off from morning. It's since the same thing, right? Okay, let's go with the step one. Change the security group of EC2 instance. What you need. So let's go to your EC2 instance, go to your security tab. Here you will see okay, yeah. Here you will see SG. And once you come here, edit inbound rules. I would have pasted the screenshot also probably here, right? So you have to go inside the inbound rules and you have to say allow traffic anywhere IPv4. So add rule, allow traffic. It is non-production. Okay, production we will not do anytime like this. Okay, anywhere IPv4 and just save the rule. Right, so step one is completed, guys. All of you clear? Yes. What link is not opening, Shashi Kiran? Which link is not opening, guys? Shashi Kiran, which link is not opening? Okay, great. Now, once you have done that, the next step is connect to your instance and run the below command. So directly step by step we will follow, and all of you see. Shashi Kiran, please reply what was the URL. It's not opening. If you are talking about batch 3, all the links are in the description. And people on LinkedIn, you can watch my YouTube and find the link in any tab, right? Now coming on to your this thing, right? The next step is step 2, connect to your instance and run the below commands. So what I will do, I will go here, I will connect. Okay. So I will close the other tabs. Okay. And yes, I have connected here. So I will clear the screen. I will do the sudo su, all the. Yes, Rashu. Okay, guys, I'm very much sorry if you think that for week 4, I have directly jumped into projects. So Saturday was a project session yesterday, and today is also a project session, right? But why I have done that? I wanted to give projects, and you were asking me projects. But in batch 3.0, you will have 2 hours of theory and 1 hour of dedicated project, right? Similarly, how I am teaching. Got it? Right? Notes, this notes I will be sharing in the class, batch 3.0 class. Ideally, I cannot put everything on Drive, right? But yeah, in batch 3.0, you will get class notes, you will get PDFs, you will get hands-on project documents, similarly how I create, and you will get interview questions, all those things, documents also. Okay, so let's start install. And please, if anyone is interested, you can join definitely. If you think, then the offer will be gone and you will again be in trouble, right? So let's go ahead with our thing. So what is this command actually doing? Let me explain you by typing here, by placing it here. So, right, I will tell you what this is actually doing. So we have installed Docker now in DevOps. Okay. Let me clear the screen. Yeah. In DevOps, what happens, right? Every tool we have to call by name, right? So you see Docker run -d is, I will write what are these. Please write in your notebook. Docker run -d. -d is background run. Background run. Okay, background. The process will be running in background. Docker run means directly creates container. Okay, container in the sense, what Docker will do, Docker will convert the image into container, right? Correct. And you see there is something like Docker hub, right? It pulls the image, it converts into the local place, it places the image in the local drive and then converts into the container. But if we say Docker run, all these things I will explain in batch 3.0. We have exclusive session for Docker. If you say Docker run, directly the image is converted into a container, okay, which I'll be showing now. And if you see -p is the port, right? -p 3001 is to 3000, right? This is host port. This is your laptop port and this is your container port. All of you are understanding? What about people on LinkedIn? Guys, are you understanding or not? Yes. Devasmita and Arvind. And what about others? Mahendra is there. Gayatri, Krikmania, Dilip, Fyakul, Truth, Shashikiran. Clear? Clear? Yes. People on LinkedIn, are you good? Where are you all? Correct. We, in simpler terms, we are creating the Docker container by giving the ports and everything. Detached mode. Okay. Yeah. Background, detached mode, anything should be fine. Okay. Okay. People on LinkedIn, are you there? Okay. Let's go ahead. What are the next things we have? Okay. Now you see there is something like -v. Okay. -v is something like your volume, right? Always Docker has some things like this. -p, -v is like volume, where you say like, I want to attach a disk. Just in simpler terms, I am explaining, this is your hard disk. Just assume that this is your hard disk, virtual hard disk, which has been attached to your laptop, correct? So similarly, consider laptop as your container. Consider laptop as your container and your hard disk as a volume. All of you clear? Very simpler terms, right? Yes. Now let's go. Let's see. Before running this command, I will show you Docker images as a command. So you see images is empty. Let me show you Docker ps-a. These are the commands which we will use for Docker. Docker ps-a. The containers are also 0. This is for checking Kubernetes. Why you are talking about Kubernetes in Bash 3.0? Kubernetes is there, not now. Docker images, you don't have any images. Docker containers, you don't have any containers. So let's run this command. Let's see what will happen. Okay, now you see unable to find the image, right? Unable to find the image locally. So it is pulling from Docker Hub. Okay, and what is the name of that image? You see whatever we have given here, right? At the end, you see Grafana, right? So it is pulling the Grafana, right? From the what you call this one, from the Docker Hub, right? So what was the step here? What was the step here, guys? So if you see, right, so this step will help us to have the Grafana ready. So let's see what are the things we have. Now let's say I give Docker ps-a. I will clear the screen here. Okay, now you see Grafana is there, correct? Yes or no? And it is up 34 seconds ago. And you see host container, and this is the container port. This is host port, container port. Okay, clear. And Docker is up and running. I mean, Grafana is up and running. So this is all clear. Very simple. Now let's go to the next step. Step 3. Okay. In between, I have one more thing. So what I will do, I will launch the Grafana. All of you see, I am taking the host port here, and I will take the IP address of the system. Okay, now you will get the Grafana dashboard. All are clear? Are you watching this Grafana dashboard? Now, once this Grafana dashboard has come in, you have to use admin, right? Okay, you have to use admin as username, admin as password. Okay, so I will give admin. Okay, I will say login. Okay, now it has given me the new password. So I will give admin 123 and admin 123. So it will take me to the dashboard. All of you clear? So this is your Grafana dashboard where you will see all the things, and I will take you. This is my account, by the way. All of you clear? People on LinkedIn, Twitter. Anyways, I'm not sure if you are watching me or not. People on Twitter don't know me, by the way, right? So that's fine. So what is happening right now? This entire week I was with you all, right? This entire week I was on YouTube live only. मेरा गला गया अभी एकदम से. Okay. Okay, great. Okay, I have got you. Thanks, Mahi. Great. So let's go to the next step. Now, step 3 is install MySQL. Again, same thing only. So step 3 is bigger one, guys. So please be careful. Don't go anywhere for another 10 minutes. If you go anywhere, you will miss the things. Okay. This is the database thing which we are doing. Step 3 has 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, all those things. So you see, I have copied this. So similarly, you see, Docker run -d daemon or detached mode -name of the container, MySQL database port. The MySQL is running as 3306. What is my aim? Okay, let me tell you what is my aim. My aim is to make sure whatever position I am, I should be sharing that same skill set to you all, right? So all my experience I am sharing. So that is why you see the people are working with me in the same company. My students are in my same company, right? That is what my aim is. And maybe you can target better companies if you have better skill set, like Google, which I was unfortunately not able to clear. Amazon I have cleared, your SAP I have cleared, Informatica I have cleared, your EPAM I have cleared, your what you call Siemens I have cleared, Microsoft I have cleared, right? So all those things, right? Got it? Now you see, port is the host port and the container port. -v volume, right? This is volume, right? So volume, again, I have told you, this is your this is your outside volume, this is your container volume, and -e is environment variable. Okay, so let me tell you, if I put here like this, you will be understanding in a simpler terms. All of you see here, I will just mark it. One question, yes, Devismita, tell me. -d is detached mode or background. Okay, name of the container. All of you note it down, please. Yes, you can use Docker without volume, no problem. If you use without volume, then if the container is gone, if this is the container with volume and container without volume, this is with volume, right? This is without volume. Now what happens if the container is dead? Your data is lost. But in this case, if your container is dead, you can remove this and attach it to the some other container. Okay, now this is your detached mode, name of the container, port of MySQL, and your volume, and this is your environment variable. All of you clear? All of you have noted down on your notebook? Yes, no? Yes, guys, have you noted down on your notebook? Yes. Okay. DB data is a directory. Yes, Arvind, correct. Exactly. Okay. Now you see what will happen. The next step. So sorry, I have to give this now. So you see, all of you have to be careful here. What I'm going to tell, please see. Now, if you see in, okay, I will clear this screen. So if you see -e, I am passing the root password equal to password. All are able to see? All are able to see, guys? Yes, no? The password equal to the database. Guys, I am shouting. You have to quickly respond me, please. Huh? Matlab, I will feel like you are not following. So what I was telling, na, this -e, the password which you are seeing, na, what we are sending with environment variable, we are passing the password as password for database. Okay, all of you clear? Right? Sangati, great. I am seeing very good number of people, those who have joined till now live, and I remember their names. One is Sangati, Rohit, Bachapati, Mahendra Reddy was, yes, Mahendra Anupa Reddy is different person, and Mahendra Reddy was different person. Arjun I have seen sometimes, Saurav Biswas I have seen, and Vikash Kumar Mahapatra, I have been watching you completely. Who else? Sashi, yes, Sashi Kiran also I have seen. Satya V also I have seen. Vikash, Crickmania I have seen sometimes, right? See, that's how I make the bonding. Rashu, I think you have joined first time, right? Yes. So I think that's the reason, right? Yes. Abhishek also. Okay. Devasmita, you are new, right? But I have seen your name somewhere, Devasmita, maybe on LinkedIn or somewhere. I'm not sure, right? So all of you see, now it is again telling MySQL latest it didn't found, and it is again downloading from the Docker Hub. All right. So now let's see what will happen. Time is now 5 p.m. almost. Still, we have so many steps to complete. Okay, sir. But in production, we cannot pass. That is. See, yeah, OP or your name, I don't know. I think Mirza, your name is. What I am telling now, these all are for learning purpose. If you go to any person in the world, no one will tell you like production scenario, because production is like company's scenario, right? You are getting me, right? So clearing it. Okay, Hariteja, Nagela, thanks. Oh, okay. You are from that community. That's nice. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so now all of you see here, I'm clearing this screen. So if I do Docker ps-a, how many containers I should see, guys? How many containers? Yes, Mirza, right? I remember everyone. Na? How many containers we will see here? All of you. What about people on LinkedIn? First time watching you live. Great, Delhi. So आपको तो पसंद आना ही चाहिए, I think so. How many of you? How many containers? 2 containers. Let's see. Docker ps-a. Okay, what happened? Okay, don't worry. I have done something. It is establishing again. Yes, this is your MySQL, which is about a minute ago, and it is running on 3306. Yes, Abhiraj, you are also new. Great. How many people are new today? Can you raise your hand? How many people are new, by the way, today? How many people are new? Yes. Okay. You all are new, by the way, right? Okay, that's fine. Now I will clear the screen. Now from here, it is very important. Okay. From here, it is very important to see what are the next steps. So let's go and see what the next steps we have. So step 3.2, Docker exec. So what is this exec is? Now what we have done, guys? Now what we have done? We have created the Docker container. Yes, Dilly, you will definitely get it. Okay. This is our container. And inside our container, the database is running. And this database has a password of password. And now what we are trying to do from our EC2 instance, this is our EC2 instance. Okay. From our EC2 instance, we are trying to go inside the container and we are trying to access the database. All are clear? Now that is what we are doing with the help of exec command. Okay. Clear all of you? Yes. Now you see, I will copy this and the name of the container is MySQL DB, na? Right? Interactive terminal. Yes, IT is your interactive terminal. Now let's see. Okay, all of you see here from root, it has converted into bash. So now if I say ls-lrt, we are inside the container, guys. Okay, I am not in EC2 instance now. Okay, clear? So let me do the next steps. Okay, step 3.3, I am logging into the MySQL database. So all of you see this diagram. Okay, not this one. Why it is coming this? This is yesterday's class notes. Yes. Now step 3.3, what we are trying to do, all of you see, don't miss it. I am just diagramming it neatly so that you all understand. The next step is we are logging into the database. Now this was to go into the database. I mean, it was to go into the container. Okay. Okay, let me draw like this. I made a little bit wrong here. Okay, it is not allowing me. So ideally now, okay, this is the container now. Ideally till here only we can come till exec, but for going inside the database, I need to use mysql -u-p. Okay, this is the command. So I will take step 3.3. So guys, we are at this step. Okay, I can make it uppercase and I can make it bold for you all to understand. Okay, we are at this step. So all of you see how I am logging in. I will copy this So MySQL -u, right? And -u for user. -u, see, for any system, we have to give like this, na, username, password. If you want to log in into the website of my website, you have to give your login user and password, right? So similarly, database के लिए क्या देना है हम लोग? Login user is root user and password is P. So P for password. So if you don't give password here, it will ask you for the password. Now you enter it, which we will not see. PASSWORD. So guys, are we in the MySQL database or not? Oracle is registered. So basically MySQL is a product of Oracle. Clear? Clear all of you? Yes. People on LinkedIn? Great. People on LinkedIn clear? Guys, how many people are watching on LinkedIn? Please put a yes so that I can move forward. Yes, clear. What about people on LinkedIn? Yes, Arun Teja. Preparing notes, right? All of you are preparing notes. Sangati. Okay, I know each and everyone's name now. See, I probably don't know you in person, but at least I am aware of who is that person actually, how they have been supporting, right? So at least that is what I believe, right? Okay, great. Okay, people on LinkedIn are typing. Yes, please type yes if you have understood. Right, great. Now let's move forward. Now 3.4, we are inside the database. So let's put this command MySQL show databases. How many databases we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 database with this command. Now what is the step number 3.5? Create database team. Now what I am trying to do? I am trying to create a database and I am trying to insert the data into the database, and I'm trying to create a table and then insert the data into the database. Okay, now you see what I'm trying to do, create database team. So I will just give a rough idea of what I am doing. So I am inside the database now. Okay, I am inside the database. Now I am creating a new database of name team. Okay, and I'm creating a new table of name person and I'm inserting the data. All of you clear? All of you clear? Yes. Now let's see what will happen. So I will say create database team. So all of you see query one row, okay, one row affected. So let's say show databases. So how many now seen? You have earlier seen four, now it's 5. Okay, let's move to the next step. So use team. So this database which we have created, bash, you can use bin bash. Bin bash is basically the entry point for a container. Okay guys, bash is entry point for a container, so we are going with that way. So use team. So I will use team database changed. Okay, now you see database changed. Now step 3.7, we are creating a table. So these are all database administrator tasks but you will be doing with me. Okay, now you see create table person. Now you see person ID is the row name. So I will tell you, I will show you. So all of you see now database team we have used now, show tables. If I hit, so are you getting any tables here? Are you getting any tables here, guys? You will not get any tables as of now, right? Correct, right? You will not get any tables. So now what we will do, let's see if I give this, how my table will be. All of you note down everything on notes. Create table means table is getting created. Use team means I am using the database name as team, and show database means it will show the database. Create database means it will create the database. Now let's see show tables. Now are you seeing tables in team is person database? Are you all clear? Yes. Now let's move forward. What is the step 3.8? Show tables I have hit. Now I have got the table. Now, let me tell you one thing. This is the simple query. Select star from, what is our database which I need to use, guys? All of you now tell me, what is the name of the database which I need to put it here? Select star from. What is the name of the database which I need to put here? Table name. What is the table name? Person. Are you all sure? Select star from person. Let's do this. Okay. What you are seeing as of now? It is empty. It is empty, right? Correct. Select star from person. No, not team. Team is our database. Right? Team is our database. Clear? Yes. Okay, correct. Nothing is there, na? So guys, how many steps we are left behind? We have few. We are still more steps. Okay, let me do one thing. Step 3.9, copy all this. This is basically inserting the data into the person table. Okay, so let me take this values. You want me to change anyone's name here? Okay, that will be childlike, but yeah, you can do it when you are doing the hands-on. I will just say like this. So you see, guys, how many query rows got affected? 4. Right? Now let's say select star from person. So are you all seeing? Yes, the database data is here. People on LinkedIn, are you following me? Yes, team.person also you can put it, Vinod, right? Yes. Great. Okay. Okay, awesome. Hello everyone, my exams are going on, so I'm not able to attend live. Okay, Amit, that's fine. All the best for your exams, right? Yeah. Okay, clear. Now, step 4, this is very important step. Till here, we have completed the Grafana and database setup. Are you all clear? What we have done, this diagram, all of you have noted, na? This diagram. So I would like to tell you till here, the Grafana container is ready. The database with table data is ready. Okay, now what is the next step? We will integrate both of them, right? And we will make the live connection. Okay, now contact is not possible, but you can ask me the questions on live. I will be giving the chance to talk with me after this class. Okay, so all of you, before going ahead, I would like to tell you again. So all of you, this is my website. If you want to join batch 3, if you are liking the way I am teaching, right, you can come here. You can see batch 2.0 is completed with 5-star rating. You can come here, and this was the session which was completed yesterday for Terraform, right? You can see here in the website. So once you click on this, as of now, price is today 6,000. But if you come here, right, because you all have joined live, for you all, as of now, it's not 6,000, but you can apply the code of live 30, right, and apply the coupon code, and it will be 5360. Clear, all of you? Yes. Now this cost is valid for how much time? If I just go down, it is for next 1 hour. If anyone wants to register now, you can register now itself. So 17 minutes ago, Devika registered. That's good. So if anyone wants to join, I can give 2 minutes of break. You can join and we can come back and integrate here. Right? Okay, clear? Clear, all of you? Or else you can parallelly register yourself with the code live 30 before it gets expired. I can give you 2 minutes of break. Okay. Okay. Shall we take 2 minutes of break? Yes. Or we will listen music. That's fine. Anything is fine. I will create the dashboard in Grafana. I have not done anything na, as of now. Guys, please like the video. Please like the video. The like is very much less. Please like it. At least make it 100+ likes na. Huh? Yes. I have shared all my experience in companies. Okay, you want to listen music? I can make you listen also. Just let me check. Let me check. Meanwhile, you have water. Please take break. If anyone is interested, you can register because time is 51 minutes, right? And you can apply the coupon code of live 30, right? Cancel this coupon code and apply live 30. So meanwhile, I will set up for you the take the water break, and those who want to register, you can register. Live 30 is the code, and this is the website pravinsingampally.com. Under courses, you will see batch 3, right? Ultimate job ready course. Okay. Now, meanwhile, what I can do, basically, I will stop my screen share once. Okay. And I will check for the song now for you. Are you? Okay, that's fine. Now are you able to hear me? Is it clear now? Will not waste time much. I'll present the screen again. Is it good now? My voice is clear? Yes. Okay, let's go ahead. I'll share my screen. Okay, if anyone is in between the transaction, please let me know. I can wait for you, right? I will not run away. Anyone else is doing the transaction? Shall I wait for you, guys? Hi, Praveen. Okay. Hi, Praveen. I have joined. Okay, I will wait for you all. Please do the transaction. Hi, Praveen. I have joined late. Can you please share the doc link which you are referring to the commands? Sure, Sampath. It will be in the Telegram link. The link will be here. Okay. If you go inside the live, if you come to the YouTube video, it will be here. The live link, the Telegram group link is here. You have to join here. I'll be sharing the Telegram link. I will be sharing the documents there. Okay. Yes, got it. So this is the batch 3.0 link, and live 30 is the coupon code which you need to apply. Got it, everyone? So anyone is in between the transaction? Yes. Okay, you are in between the transaction. You can take time. Yes, I am sharing my screen. Yes, purposefully I am doing. What is the question, Sashi? Okay, let me put like this. Uh, let me put like this. Break of 1 minute break I can give max. Please complete all the things because we have to complete the next tasks, right? 5:14 the time is, and still how much time you have seen? 45 minutes is there, right? So you can, if anyone is interested, it's not like I'm behind you. If you feel that the next few months is really good for you, right, is really some change will be happening, right? If you feel that some change is going to happen, then you can do it. International people from USA or other countries can opt for PayPal transaction, right? Got it? Yes. Done, all are done. What about everyone? Yes, remove comment. Yes, I have done that. Okay, I have not shared it. Oh, you I have not shared it. Okay. So yes, please see here. The time is left. 44 minutes is left. So if anyone is interested, you can just click on enroll now, right? And you just cancel this Singham 35 and you can give live 30. Live 30, and you just say apply. 5360 will be the cost. And if you come down, right, if you see 44 minutes left, right, 44 minutes left for you to get enrolled. Okay. If anyone is between the transaction, you can let me know with a T on the comment, and I will be waiting for you, right? With a T on comment, it means you are doing the transaction, right? T on the comment, and I will wait for you. People on LinkedIn, all good till now? Yes. Great. Awesome. Okay. All are clear, guys? Till now, whatever done, is it clear? Tanaji, what about others? Rohit, Shashi, clear, right? Yes. Let's move forward, all of you. Now, step 4 till step 3.9. Guys, confirm me once. Clear, right? Yeah. What about others? Richard on LinkedIn, Vinesh, clear, clear. Yes, yes, great. So let's see. What about our channel member Gayatri? Clear? Sangati. Okay, let's start. So step 4, add data source in Grafana as MySQL database. So what happens, right, in Grafana usually, I would like to tell you, in Grafana, one of the best thing here is it will have many data source. Okay, many data source. So what do you mean by data source? So data source is nothing but the integration tools, right? Let's say it's tool 1, let's say it's tool 2, tool 3, tool 4. So Grafana gives the ability to integrate with any tool. Let's take this is Prometheus, let's take it as database, let's take it as your other database, let's take it is your system, right? All the things it will allow you. And what we call in Grafana, we call this as a data source. Okay, we call it as a data source. And now you see step 4, add the IP and port of database, right? And DB name and username and password. Okay. So step 4 is very much important. I will show you, very simple, but yet powerful. Now you see, we are in this instance. So let me tell you again. Okay. Now we will go into the Grafana. Anyone seeing anywhere data source here? Anywhere seeing anywhere data source here? Any data source? Yes, you are seeing. So see, this is the data source. I will click. Now we see what are the data sources available for us. Prometheus, Graphite, InfluxDB, Open Time Series Database, Loki. So someone was talking, right? Loki, Elasticsearch, Jaeger, Tempo, Zipkin, MySQL database, Postgres. So this is our data source here because we want to integrate with MySQL database. So I will click on this. Okay. So I will click on this. Now you see, this is the MySQL data. Okay. Now what it is asking for the host. Now where my MySQL is running, in order to tell you everyone, now you see, I would have kept the screenshot also. See, this is the same screenshot which you are seeing on this page. Correct? Yes. Now what are the details? See, EC2 instance IP :3306. Database name is team, user is root, and the password was password, right? So let's give the values. Now I will go into the EC2 instance. I will take the IP address of that and I will map it here and I will map it 3306. Okay, database name, it will automatically populate. User, you have to give root here, sorry, small root, and you have to give the password. Password is what? PASSWORD. Okay. Now, once you come down, you say save and test. Okay, you say save and test. See, database connection okay. Yes. Now this screenshot also I would have given. No, I have not given. That's fine. So all of you are seeing now. This you should get it. All of you clear? This is the simple step which we have done. Where are you all? Yes. Okay, Rajshekhar, correct? Yes. Yes. Great. Now don't drop the live session because you will get some good things. What was the HP same which we have given in step 2, Praveen? We have given 3001. 3001 is for Grafana, Gayatri. Okay. 3001 is for Grafana, right? See, 3001 for Grafana. We are mapping now this one, na? 3306. We are mapping, guys, you have to understand one thing. We are mapping database with Grafana, not Grafana with database. Vice versa. Got it? Great. Okay. So now you see, where are we now? We are here, right? Now, here you have to come to the step 5, add a dashboard. We have added the data source, right? We have added the data source. Now, what is the next step? What is the next step, guys? Add a dashboard with a panel. Okay, so you see, where is the dashboard here on the Grafana? I will come back to the home, close, never. Are you seeing anything? This is completed. Are you seeing? Are you seeing this is completed, guys? Earlier, what was it? Add your first data source or something, if you have observed it. Yes, correct. Now you are seeing different, right? Yes, great. Now, Tanaji, I think you have joined batch 3, right? So all the things I will discuss, more matured projects you will get it. More. I mean, you cannot imagine also ki bhai, okay, we are getting this kind of projects also. This is just like baby walk we are doing towards the batch 3.0, right? I am setting a benchmark, I am setting a context. But if you join, you will get a more matured project. Helm, your Helm with monitoring we will do. We will have the Kubernetes also monitored with the Grafana. I will show you entire metrics. Now it is one dashboard. You will see, let's take in batch 3.0, you will see in the monitoring class, all the dashboards are filled with the metrics, Kubernetes metrics I will show you. Okay. Beautifully, you will like it. Damn sure you will like it. Okay. 100% I am telling. Okay. Now you see this is completed. Now it is telling create your first dashboard. Clear? Now I will click on this. It is telling add a visualization. So I will say add a visualization. Now this is very important. All of you see here. Okay. All of you see here. Now it is asking for the data source, guys. If you have seen here. Correct? Yes, no? Yes, Tanaji, you have joined, right? 3.0, great. Okay, now you see this is MySQL. Defaultly, it is coming as a data source. Now we have to write the SQL query to show the data in the panel. So this is the panel, one of the panel in the new dashboard. Are you getting me? So as of now, you are seeing it is no data. Okay, but you will see now we will have the data. So you see here builder and code. So you select for code. Okay, now it will load something. So once the code place is written, right, you have to say like select star from person table, team dot person. I think someone in the LinkedIn have told, right, select star. So this query, I will just put it here, right? So you see, this is one of the query which we have to use in the dashboard. So I have already given here. So see, add a dashboard with add a panel, right? And the query is also given, right? Query, you have to select MySQL data source here. You have to go with code. Code, you have to click on code, and this will come like select star from team.person, right? Clear? Now, once you have got this, right, run query, okay? And you see table data, right? And you see, I can, okay. This is the table data. Now, what are the values you are seeing, guys? Richard, Howard, Lucy, what is the last name, age, from where the data is coming? From where the data is coming? If you all are understanding, from where the data is coming? Guys, I'm asking you, from where the data is coming? Database, from SQL database. What about people on LinkedIn? Are you clear from where you are getting the data? MySQL DB Delhi, correct? Twitter, I don't know. Twitter, I hope you are watching, but not sure. DB. What about people on LinkedIn? Are you there, guys? People on LinkedIn. I think LinkedIn stream is a little bit less than time taking than YouTube. So I think that's the reason. Correct? Team DB. Okay. Yes, Vaibhav is there. Yes, it's taking time. Vaibhav is there. Vinesh is there, right? And few others will also be there, right? Obviously. So that's fine. Now let's see. You have got your dashboard also, right? Now, yes. Okay. Renato, thanks for joining. Okay. Renato is also there. So Renato was batch 2 from USA. Okay. Great. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, that's great. So Renato, this was not there in batch 2, right? I hope you remember in batch 2 we have done more cluster monitoring advanced project with Helm. I hope you remember if you have joined, right? Okay, that's great. So Renato Selas was from batch 2. If anyone wants to reach Renato, you can reach out and ask the details. Okay. So now let's go ahead. So you see the data which has come from the database, right? And if you write more matured query, so basically what is this? This is your query which is extracting the data and keeping it here. Got it? Clear, all of you? Yes. Yes, no. And you can manage anything here. Panel title, if I keep like this, I can keep like employee data. Okay. And if I say apply, right, it is like your employee data. Okay. All are clear with this? All are clear with this? Any questions? Yes, clear from MySQL. So you got your beautiful dashboard here, right? So it is your dashboard. Similarly, let's take you have 10 more tables in the database. Let's think like how many students are coming into your office, how many students are going out. The login and logout time also we can get it. Similarly, I would like to tell you in batch 3.0, if you are joining, right, we will see entire Kubernetes cluster monitoring with, we will install Prometheus, we will install Grafana, we will install Kubernetes, we will have Helm, and all these components we will interconnect, and we will see a beautiful multi-layer dashboard right, in Grafana, where you will see every metrics from Kubernetes, how many applications are there, how many clusters are there, how many nodes are there. You will see everything. Yeah, if you have large tables, then according to your number of tables you write in the query, right, you can have multiple panels. It's for, okay, for single table, we have single query, right? For second table you have one more panel, right? Got it? Clear, right? Okay, now few important things I would like to tell you. Important things about, does it monitor the containers only? Yes, I will show you in the class batch 3.0. Okay, now I would like to tell you very happily that we have completed 1 month of continuous weekend classes on YouTube. Okay, each of 2 hours, right, we have completed. So every Saturday and Sunday I have started this bootcamp 2, right, where the projects, the hands-on, everything I have shared, right? So please give a smiley or a anything like a thumbs up what we follow on YouTube, right, to celebrate this. And after that we'll be talking few more things, right, and I will be taking few more people to talk with me, right? So let's start. You have to give me smileys, right, at least 50 smileys, right, on the chat. I hope you all are happy, right? Yes, see, Rejwar Arjun is there. Arjun, I know Arjun was very active. Yes, you can get certificate for batch 3.0, right? Great. Devasmita is happy, Mahendra is happy, Rohit is happy, right? Yes. What about others? 66 people are watching me, right? At least 50 smileys to banta hai bhai, right? Yes. Great. Great. Yes. Awesome. Abhishek, I know. Yes, Abhishek, I know. I remember you were there. Tanaji, anyways, yeah. Vikas, yes. That's awesome. So most of the people who are joining here, I know that you have already joined batch 3.0, right? Yes. What is that? Couldn't find week 4 docs, the docs in Google. No, I will add it now. I didn't add it. I have not added, na. Okay. Okay. Anything else? Please give smileys. Okay, by mistakenly I have hided Bacha Party. Okay, I will unhide it later. But yeah, sorry for that. Okay, all clear. Great. Not yet joined, sir. Great. Is it possible to monitor EC2 instance also? Yes, it's possible. Okay, Tanaji, so much love. Thank you all. It was really good. Now, this is one thing. So we have celebrated with smileys. प्रवीण भाई सीके एग्जाम का कंटेंट कितना कवर होगा बैच 3 में? वही मैं बोला ना, सीके हम लोग टारगेट नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम लोग जॉब टारगेट कर रहे हैं बैच 3 से, ठीक है? हम लोग बैच 3.0 से जॉब टारगेट कर रहे हैं, राइट? सो ऑल द थिंग्स विल बी मिक्स एंड मैच, राइट? संपत, थैंक यू. सो नाउ स्टेप 2 इज you can take any screenshot which I am teaching, right? Screenshot of anything I am teaching, and you put it on LinkedIn stating that what's WhatsApp discount. See, WhatsApp discount is completed, right, Muna? So if you want to join, if you are in the WhatsApp, you can ping, team will reply. If you are not in the WhatsApp, today's thing I will tell you, chalega bhai, thanks for your efforts, I have taken already. Great. Now you see, you can take the screenshot of this any class and you can put it on LinkedIn, right? Put on LinkedIn, right? And tell to the people you have learned something new, right, today, anything sort of, and tag me, right? You will find my name at Praveen Singhampalli, right? People on LinkedIn are also there, right? And I will definitely acknowledge your efforts, right? This is the step 2. Step 3, as I have told you, batch 3.0 is there, right? You can join, which is starting from 27th May. 12 real-time projects you will have. You will have doubts clearing session extensively. You will have job support, right, with me, right? All those things I'm giving, and much more things are there. right? So let me do one thing. I have to stop this EC2 instance before I do anything. Let me actions, instance state, terminate the instance. Okay. Okay, clear. So this was the document which I will be sharing you all in the Telegram link. So next important step is you have to share the channel link if you are willing to do, right? So this is the live class. So if you click on the live class, you will get the links here, all of you, right? So this is the Telegram group which you have to join for documents, DevOps with Web Dev, right? You can join this Telegram group, and I will be sharing the document links here. Okay, clear, all of you, right? Now let's go to the last step. So let's see how much time is left if you want to enroll in batch 3, right? So yes, 25 minutes is there. How to join your team? So you can join my team by batch 3.0. You can join here, sort of, right? So yes, I would like to tell one last time, if anyone is interested, you can click on this link. It will take you to 6,000. But for today, at least for next 20-30 minutes, you have to use live 30 code and apply it. You will get the cost like this, 5,300. And you can proceed it. For international payment, you can opt for other price, right? Okay. Okay, clear. Those who are interested, please join, right? Got it? Muna, see, WhatsApp discount was 100 less than this, right? Muna, WhatsApp discount was 100 less than this. There is no WhatsApp discount now. If you are interested, if you want to really join, irrespective of the 100 rupees difference, you can join today, right? Okay, time is now there. I think Devika and everyone, those who are interested, you can join. And meanwhile, I will talk with few of the students. Now, let me stop screen share. Yes. So let me invite you all to this place. So all of you can join here. Please watch the what is that? This link. You can click on the link and join the stream. Okay. Anyone wants to talk with me? The StreamYard link I have given here on the chat. No one? Is that fine? Okay, great. And please like the video. Okay. Okay, Devasmita has joined. I will add to the stream. Hey, hi, Devasmita. Hi, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hi, Devasmita. Great. Thanks for joining.
Hello भैया. Yes.
Yes.
Actually मैंने वो ज्वाइन किया था TWS तो मैं वो ये कर चुकी हूँ मतलब मैंने DevOps कोर्स ज्वाइन किया था तो उसके बाद क्या हुआ प्रॉब्लम ये हुआ कि मैं अपना वर्क सेक्टर में थी तो मेरा ज्यादा प्रोजेक्ट एक्चुअली नहीं हो पाया तो मेरा थ्योरी के बारे में जितना जो है वो नॉलेज है मेरा ज्यादा प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में ये नहीं है तो इसीलिए मैं आपका वो देख रही थी इसलिए मैं ज्वाइन करके मतलब क्या कैसे हो सकता है तो मैं एक्चुअली नॉट मतलब आई एम वर्किंग एज असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर तो मैंने अपने मास्टर्स के बाद किया है तो मैं अगर स्विच करना अभी चाहूंगी तो कोई दिक्कत होगा कि क्या होगा तो इसका थोड़ा क्लैरिफिकेशन आप देंगे तो
पहले तो आपको प्रोजेक्ट सीखने के लिए आप आए हो, राइट? तो मैं ये बोलूंगा कि आपको बढ़िया से बढ़िया प्रोजेक्ट मिलेंगे और रेज्यूमे भी नॉन आईटी के लिए मैं प्रिपेयर करूंगा। मैं प्रोजेक्ट्स दूंगा नॉन आईटी के रेज्यूमे में कैसे डालना है, फिर हम लोग देखेंगे कैसे स्विच करना है। क्योंकि आप अगर देखो मेरे जो भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं लिंक्डइन पे और यूट्यूब पे और बेसिकली ट्विटर तो मैं कभी यूज नहीं किया हूँ, आज पहला बार लाइव कर रहा हूँ ट्विटर पे। सो मैं आप देखना किसी से भी बात करना, कोई भी मेरा फीचर प्रोफाइल पे जाना लिंक्डइन पोस्ट में, वहां पे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो कि डेल में ना डेल में क्या होता है सिस्टम्स को मैनेज करते हैं बेसिकली, लाइक ये लैपटॉप है, राइट? तो ये लैपटॉप का जो हार्ड डिस्क मैनेज करते थे और कुछ लोग हैं जो बीपीओ में काम करते थे, मतलब पहले जब मैं पढ़ाता था, राइट? तो वो लोग अभी डेवऑप्स में है कंप्लीटली, राइट? तो आप उनसे जाके पूछिए, बात करिए। और वेबसाइट में भी बहुत सारे लोगों का मैंने नाम डायरेक्टली दिया है, राइट? सो यू कैन टॉक विद देम, ठीक है?
तो ये थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था तो अभी मेरे को क्लैरिफिकेशन वाला इसका कोई ये नहीं है। मैं एक्चुअली आपका पहले भी सेशन देख चुकी हूँ, आप जब आप शुभम भैया और सब जब लाइव थे, पीयूष भैया एक टाइम पे एक लाइव थे तो तभी भी मतलब मैं देख चुकी हूँ वो सेशन भी। तो इट वाज ऑन अमेजिंग सेशन।
थैंक्स
तो
देवी, तुम सॉरी तुम बोल रहा हूँ, आप अगर इंटरेस्टेड हो तो ठीक है, एंड ऑल द बेस्ट, ठीक है?
ओके ओके फाइन।
ठीक है, थैंक यू. So that was Devi Smita. Now, Saurav, you can unmute yourself, and Satya, you also can unmute yourself. Yes. Vikas is also there with us. Vikas, आप unmute कर लीजिए. Yes.
Hi, Praveen.
Hi, Vikas. आप
Hi.
Are you on video?
Yeah, I was.
Okay, great.
Yeah,
How are you?
Yeah, I'm
Hey, I
good.
think I
I'm
have
good. How are
seen you
you?
somewhere.
Huh?
I have seen you somewhere. Have you been before in live with me in LinkedIn or
No, no, no,
somewhere?
no.
Okay.
No, no. This is the first time interaction between you and me. Actually, I
Okay.
joined your course like few days back, and I'm following up with the playlist as well as suggested.
Hmm.
So my one question is, so actually I am a QA engineer, actually a manual QA engineer, and I've been in the industry around 4.5 years, right? And I have also have a good package as well. So I am earning around like 18 to 20 as of now. So
Hmm.
I want to switch to DevOps because manual testing is kind of boring thing
Correct.
to do, to be very
Correct.
frank, and there's no respect in the industry when it does all these things.
Correct.
So I just want to switch to this industry because with this kind of package, if I want to switch, DevOps is a good way to do that because people like at the entry level they are getting around like 15. So
Correct.
so is there any scope for me? Like suppose if I join this course and complete it, properly, right? So can I switch to any job and get like
Yes.
20 plus as a package?
Definitely, definitely. That is 100% sure. Surety I am giving, provided you are not missing any live session. Because आप देखना, if you watch today's session at least, if you miss at least 5 minutes, na, that is gone. You don't know where are the documents. You don't know how I am teaching to the students on Telegram, how I am approaching, right? So always you see from previous batches also students have got jobs. Those who have interacted with me more, right? I have seen many students, those who join first two classes and just after that they never join, right? So and they just tell like they are not getting anything. So what I say, if you join कि पक्का मतलब project सीखने हैं, अच्छे से काम करना है, then definitely it's a very beautiful course designed for the experienced candidates as well as the freshers, those who want to get good opportunities.
Okay, so basically, my question is, see, the companies can get a candidate, right, around like 10 to 12 as a fresher, right? Suppose I am learning something and I am applying, like, okay, I have been doing this thing like you
You will
engineer,
get
now
it.
I understood.
You will get it.
How
I
would
understand.
they agree on that?
So you are 5 years, right?
Around 4.5 years.
Huh. So now if I consider like by the time you search the job after my class, after my course, let's say it's 5 years. So you can expect around 30, 25, 30, right? Base. And
Got it.
after that, if you are cracking good company, then it's up to you how much you go. So there is no limit. But as of now, first we'll focus on how the things are going with you, right? How you can convert your manual. And manual is seriously in a danger position you are, I would say, right? Definitely either you, I would suggest either you go for automation QA testing where Selenium is there, your BDD framework is there, your what you call the other frameworks, I'm not
That I'm aware of. So,
testing, right?
since I'm doing manual testing, it does not mean I am not technical actually. I know
Correct.
with Java very well. I've
Correct.
done automation testing my own projects as well, right?
Correct.
And yeah. So I'm very comfortable with the coding actually.
Definitely,
So the
then
only
it's really
problem,
just, yeah, go ahead.
yeah, sorry. So actually, I don't want to take others' time as well. I also want to finish it up. What is last thing, right? I joined your
Yeah.
course. Just one thing I want to understand. Suppose I join your course and I do all the thing whatever you're doing as a practical. So how much cost will I incur as a AWS charges, right?
AWS, what is that?
AWS charges, right? Suppose I enter my credit card details and I'm doing whatever you are doing, right? The same time, just following you up in the whole 2 months course, right? So as a credit card bill, how much would I expect that this
Oh,
would be
okay.
my cost?
This is good question. Mostly in INR, because we will be doing Elastic Kubernetes service, it will be around 500 to 600, not more than that.
In a month, right?
In INR. In INR.
Okay, got it. That's what
Got
I
it?
wanted to understand.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay, got it.
please.
Thanks,
I'll
Vikas.
just
See you
thank
in the
you.
class. If you are interested, you can join with Live 30 coupon, right?
Sure.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
I've
Really nice.
already joined the class.
Oh, you have already
I
joined.
already,
That's great.
I'm an
Thanks.
enrolled. Yes, I'm all the way in. Yes,
Okay, okay.
yes.
Thanks a lot. Yeah. See
Thank
you
you.
in the class. Okay. Yeah. Bye. So yes, Sashi, go ahead. You can come on video. Sheikh is also there with us. Yes. How
Sir,
are you?
for the batch 3.0. Fine.
Shashikiran?
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Able to hear me?
Yeah. So batch for batch 3.0, what are the
Yeah.
projects are covering?
Okay.
Already I
Projects.
done the doc. I am from non-IT background.
Okay. Projects we
I
are
am prepared.
covering. Okay, I will tell you. The entire CICD we are covering. I have already created. I mean, if I'm presenting you the screen, right? I have already told what are the projects we are covering in the last week only. See, batch 3.0 real-time projects revealed, right? So you can see this like day before yesterday on Friday only we have done. But for an overall view, what I can tell is we have the CICD, we have the Kubernetes, we have the monitoring, we have Python, chatbot, Node.js projects, Java projects, every other project you will have. Basically, 12 projects I am covering, shell scripting, real-time shell scripting, right? So don't worry about the projects. This will be like industry-grade projects is what I am giving, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
For
If you
me,
want to join,
3 of gap is there. I done the DevOps course. Before I am preparing for government exam, I am not able to clear that one.
no, that's fine.
That
See,
uh,
people
Sunny.
see, even if I am learning from somewhere, right, I will also probably take time to read, to understand the things, to again put in the resume. But in my course, what will happen, you will learn everything from starting, and at the end we will keep the same projects in resume, and I will give again a separate document for how you can put all those projects in the document, right?
Okay.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah,
Thank you.
hi Praveen.
Hey, hi. Yeah, Sheikh, how
Yeah,
are you?
yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I just want to know. So while going on the live sessions regarding this Grafana and MySQL DB, so you are said
Yeah.
like you will not be going to teach that production grade. That means how the productions will be working. So only it is like you will be teaching in a teaching way, or you will be showing that how the productions also will be there in that companies. That means how will be
Correct.
the
I
setup
will
will
be
be
showing
there.
you how the things will be there in production, but we will not create any production environment. So
Yeah,
when
we'll
you
not be going to create it,
correct, that is
but
correct.
how the usage will be there, because we'll be going if we get the job
Okay, I
also.
will ask you not only for Sheikh, for everyone. Now, if I tell you Sheikh, right? If I give you a production environment and I give you a task, okay? Now I am just like I'm just consider like senior to me. I am senior to you, and I will give a project to you, and I will give a task. I will tell like, hey Sheikh, I will give you 2 days. You have the project production environment ready. You just have to install the MySQL database. You have to do the POC for yourself, and then we will take the same POC, because we are managing so much data from the database. We have to visualize the entire database in a beautiful dashboard. So tell me, will you be looking for the production system, or will you be actually working with the task what you got? Both have
Task what
difference,
we
right?
will be got. Yeah,
Correct, right? So
yeah.
today's task, all the things, if you just copy and paste it on production grade systems, it will be same. But instead of that, you will have maybe in production, you will have scaling. Your EC2s will be more bigger. Your login cannot be directly login. You are getting me right? Everything will be secured. We will not do like direct SSH, right? You are understanding. So those all
Yeah.
things will come into picture. But it's on the back end, you need to understand how we are actually doing as a DevOps engineers, right? That's what my main intention is. But yeah, everything, if you copy and take it to the live, that is what we will be doing actually, right?
Okay, I understand that we'll not be going to in the same way how the production will be there. We'll not going
Correct.
to set up, but how the production will be there, you will be show this how the questionnaires will be there. That means how the requirement will
Questions and
come.
everything I will cover.
I don't know how
You
the requirement will comes to DevOps engineer. How we have to work anyway. That
okay? So from today's class, what you learned?
no, I had just learned the EC2 instance, MySQL, how will install a
Correct.
Docker. Yeah,
You
those
it
things.
was new to you, or you already knew?
Yeah, a bit I know, not
Correct.
completely.
So you learned something new, right? So what
Yes.
I would say now, whatever you are learning in my 3.0, all the things will be real time. So when I say real time, production, I will tell how it is looking, how it will look like, right? And all the things will be based on my experience, right? So if you think like, okay, how a XYZ company is scaling their application, how a Flipkart is running, those things also we will discuss. Probably I cannot show you the real time environment for that, but I can show you the XYZs of that until you understand, right? Got it?
Okay.
Yeah, that's what my thing will be. And again, I'm telling Sheikh and for everyone, I believe this is I like whatever the projects I'm giving, that will be the best projects. I am the confident one. So if you believe, you can join, or else I'm happy, no issues, right? Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah. So yes, that was Sheikh. I have talked, right, and it was really nice talking with everyone. So yes, Keshav is telling amazing learning, Sarji. You are really amazing work. May God bless you for your. Thank you so much for this free DevOps bootcamp. Yes, this is the second free DevOps bootcamp which I have done on YouTube. So yes, okay. Hi, sir. Bharat, I was working as AWS DevOps engineer. Now I am trying to switch in company. Now I am getting okay. Yes, you can get it. Yes, you can get it. 10 to 15 is okay, right? You can definitely get it. Not an issue, right, Bharat? So definitely, I would say it will be really a good experience for you, right? Okay, before live class, any prerequisites? No, nothing is needed. You just come to Bash 3.0. We will start everything from the day one, right? Okay, Rohit, thanks for the great projects. So yes, please like the video and share the channel link at least to 2 of your friends. With that, what will happen is the confidence to give more such things will be increased, right? So again, so yes, please join Bash 3.0, right? And price today, as you all know, right? Price as of now today is 5,300, right? For whatever you are getting the add-ons, I will just show you, right? So another 9 minutes, we are going to close this one, right? So as of now, if you see this, right, promo code, you apply live 30 here, right? So after that, it will be coming to 5360 and you can check out, right? Another 9 minutes, it will be there. After that, the course cost will be 6,000, I hope so, right? So it's up to you. And thank you all for joining today's session. It was really nice talking to you all, nice meeting you all, right? And yes, एक like तो बनता है, yes भाई लोग, and please share on the LinkedIn with the screenshots. I think that will be really good. Thanks for the amazing sessions. Yes, thank you for the amazing classes and explanation. Really nice seeing you all, right? And definitely I would like to interact with you all in batch 3.0 also in the coming days. So much energy spent on this batch, I mean the bootcamp too, right? I will drink some water. Yes, Tanaji, see you all in the class, right? Okay, MSR is telling, I learned a new thing today. Thanks, Praveen. Thanks a lot. Okay, thank you all. It was really good. And thank you for the LinkedIn people also. You were really supportive very much in this 2 months, in this 1 month. And thank you again, right? And see you in batch 3.0, right? I'll just put a comment. See you all in batch 3.0 live session. Right? Okay, thank you. It was really great. Okay, Vikas is telling you are really hardworking. I wish I could have that passion. Okay, yes, we should have. Maybe one day you can become, right? Okay, thank you. Yes, Gayatri, thank you all. See you all in batch 3.2. Yes, thank you. Yes. Okay. Okay, I liked your videos from 3 Google accounts. Thank you, Crickmania, right? Okay, super excited. Yes, already Gayatri has joined, so she is telling super excited. How to join 3.0 live sessions? I have shown you, right? You have to go inside the website, right? Shashike, you have already joined. So you have to go inside the website. I will show one last time. So you see here, you have to come here, you have to go to your registered course and you have to click this, right? Inside the sessions, you will see, and this is the class you have to hit, right? So once you buy, it will be enabled for the live session, right? Similarly, every live session you will see with the date and time, right? Got it? Yes, and you see the students, you can talk with the students also. Go ahead and talk with these people, those who have got placed in various companies, right? And this is the certificate of completion which you will get. Okay, so yes, time is running out. We have I think how much time we have for this registration. Okay, 6 minutes are there. If anyone is interested, you can take up, right? And thank you all for joining. See you in the batch 3.0. It was really nice talking, nice meeting you all. So much juice, so much energy. Screenshot share karna sari jagah, LinkedIn, Twitter. If you are sharing, please tag me. I will definitely acknowledge your support, right? Yes, thank you. Yes. After the course, how much years of experience I can put? You can put 3 years to 4 years, right? And if you are a fresher, you can put 2 years if you want, right? And if you are experienced, 7 years you can put it, right? Great. Thank you all. Thank you. See you all. Okay, Bharat is telling, see Bharat, the thing I would like to tell you, go each topic wise. If you know that, that's completely fine. If you don't know, then you can join. Okay. Okay. Thanks, Sarji. You are the God-gifted child of this bootcamp. Yes, 𝐏𝐃𝐃𝐃𝐿, I know 𝐏𝐃𝐃𝐃 from many a time, right? I have seen, right? I have seen 𝐏𝐃𝐃 supporting the channel, right? Thank you, 𝐏𝐃𝐃. It was really nice to see this message, right? Yes, that's the bootcamp 2 we have completed successfully, right? And I will record a small video so that I can put on Instagram also, right? So yes, we have completed the bootcamp 2, free bootcamp 2 on YouTube, DevOps with web dev, and people are very much happy. Yes, thank you, thanks Sergi. Right, yes, thank you. Everyone is happy with all the classes. See you all in batch 3.0, right? And definitely we will work together. We will explore new things in coming days, and definitely it will be really helpful for you all because we'll be learning so much projects, right? So thank you all. See you in batch 3.0. Yes. Okay. Bye. Yeah, you can register if anyone needs to join, right? Thank you. Bye.